Hi everybody, this is Sugarplum and this is my upside down cheesecake recipe. So you are going to need cream cheese, you are going to need some yogurt, some cream, and then for the base you are going to need Oreos. I chose the original and chocolate flavor. That's just my preference. You can choose the other flavors if you want to as well. So first off, we just crush the Oreos. You can use a blender or a food processor or a packet and then just crush them with a wooden spoon. So I just chose the food processor. And then you have to melt some margarine or butter and put it in the mixture and let it all mix together in there. Once that's done, you focus on your cream cheese. That's just 2 tubs. You have to whip them up, get some air in there so that there are no clumps whatsoever. You can also use a hand mixer. It will do the job just the same. Might take a bit longer, but yeah, it'll definitely work. You pour in your cream and mix and add some honey. I added a little bit more because I just love sweetness, so it works for me. And then we add our yogurt. I chose vanilla because I love to see the vanilla bean. The seeds that it has just looks very appealing. Okay, and then you're going to use a spoon to just clear up any clumps, and then after you add your icing sugar, and then you're going to start mixing again. So there will be a lot of mixing throughout this process. You add your lemon juice as well, just to add a little bit of tang, and you continue mixing. It is going to take some time. Just be patient. It's a workout. Then we use your spoon again, and this is what you should see once you are done. Doesn't that look lovely? And then we focus on our containers where we're going to be putting our cheesecake. I chose a silicone container as well as a cake pan, just to show you the variety of containers you can use. And then I poured my batter in there just to show you. It doesn't have to be pretty because it's going to be upside down, but it just needs to fit. Okay, so it is going to be going to the fridge. Leave it overnight. That's my advice. If it's in a day, then 4 to 6 hours in the fridge before you present it to your guests. And that's all she wrote. So as I enjoy my cheesecake, make sure to follow me on Instagram or Facebook. Leave any comments, I will answer them. And yeah, thank you for watching. Keep following. Love ya.